Hello everyone, it's me Sato again from Lola Cosplay again, and today we have a kind of different video than usual because I'm using a webcam instead of my usual camera in the back and the whole background. The whole reason for this is I want your questions because I made a poll on Instagram what you want to see in a 500 subscriber special because we are slowly getting there, and the two options were Q&A and room tour, and the Q&A has won, otherwise I wouldn't be doing this video. So give me your questions down there in the comment section and I will feature then the comments in the finished video. You can ask me anything cosplay related stuff, private stuff. It's up to you, and you can ask me as many questions as you want. Also, you can send me then on social media like Facebook, Instagram, maybe Twitter, but I'm not so active there. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this and the following up video to this. Yay! And yeah, until then, see you next time in the new Eliza cosplay tutorial that's coming out in about 1 or 2 weeks. And have a great day. And I'm out. Bye.